Hi all, welcome to another part of 5 tips and tricks in MS Excel. Today we will be dealing with text functions in MS Excel. This video is divided into two parts. This is part number 1. Tip number 1, left, right and mid function. We can use this function to extract character from a cell which has text. Here I'm having a name section and I want to separate these left, mid and right section into different cells. So you can see we write like this, equal to left, then inside first we have to give the text cell reference and comma, and next we have to give the number of characters we should fetch from the left. Here I want to fetch the section PID, so I have to fetch 3 characters and bracket close. You can see I got the first 3 characters from that text. So if I drag, I can fill those sections. In the right section, the same way we have to give like this, equal to right, and inside the bracket you have to give the text cell reference number and you have to give the number of characters you want to fetch from the right side. So here I want to fetch this x, y and 1. So from right 1, 2, 3. So I will give him 3 and enter. I'm getting this. And if I drag, I can get the third section. For using mid function, we have to give like this, equal to mid bracket open. First we have to give the text cell reference, comma, and you have to give the start number position of that particular text. Here I want to select the middle section. So PID 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, fifth position is my text starting, and I want to fetch 2 section, that is 0 and 1 is the number of characters is 2. So I am giving 2 and bracket close. I am getting 0 and 1 and I am dragging, I get this. Tip number 2, find and search function. We use this function to look specific text in a cell. It actually returns the position of the matching text. Here you can see I have some text here and the specific matching text is in the next column. Let's see how search function works. Equal to search. First we have to give the find text, which is bird, and comma, next within the text. So the reference text. Bracket close. It returns 21. Here the bird word start at the 21st position. Keep in mind that the space is also considered as one position. So here the bird in the 21st position. Find is also like this, equal to find text is bird, comma, within text is this one, bracket close. It also returns 21. But the find text is look for the exact value. Here in the second case, I have to find the frog, but this is case sensitive. So find returning an error. But search function does not look for the exact match. It finds the frog word. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Frog start from the 5th position. Search we can use asterisk symbol. Here also find returns an error, and search it shows the 6th position. Likewise. Number 3, replace and substitute. The replace function replaces part of a text string based on the number of characters you specify with a different text string. And the substitute function when you want to replace a specific text in a text string. Here you can see I'm having some text here and some increasing number is also there. I want to replace the XYZ with ABC. The replace function work like this, equal to replace, the old text is our reference text, comma, start number is the position of the text we want to replace. So here the first position, so 1, comma, and the number of characters we want to replace. Here I want to change XYZ, so it's 3 characters. so comma 3, and now we have to give the new text, so give it in double quotes A B C, bracket closed, enter. So it replaces. Likewise, the substitute functions work like this: equal to substitute. First we have to give the text, comma, now we have to give the text to be changed, that is the old text. So I want to change XYZ, so in double quotes XYZ, comma, now second we have to give the new text, so A B C in double quotes, bracket close, enter, and click and drag. For code and character function, the code function returns a numeric code for the first character in the text string. The return code corresponds to the character set used by your computer, and character function returns the corresponding character for the code. Here you can see I have the text here and the corresponding code and character. So work like this: equal to code, and inside the bracket you have to give the reference cell. For small h, the code is 104. If I am typing A, the code changes. If I am typing capital A, the code is also changes. So each text or special character, whatever it is, it corresponds to one code. So the code function returns that particular code of that text. The character is just opposite of that. It returns the corresponding text or symbol for that particular code. So here for character I have given D5 as a reference cell. For 65 it returns that same value. And number 5, exact function. Exact function is used to compare two texts. It returns whether it is true or false. Here I have two texts. These two texts exactly matches and returns true. In the second case you can see both are the same word but case sensitive, so it returns false. You have to keep in mind that exact is case sensitive. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share my video and support me. Thank you.